Hi friends! Welcome to my channel Painting Hyun. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. I'm going to tell you about easy watercolor techniques. These are a lot of fun ways to use watercolor, and today I'm going to show you 6 of my favorite techniques. Here are the supplies I'm going to use now: the knife, brush, tissue, clean water, and salt, shell, clip, and my colors. Okay, these techniques are perfect for beginners or any skill levels. You will try 1 or 2 of these ideas. First technique is Suede techniques. First, you need to cover the paper with colors of your choice. I'm taking a light pink and magenta and adding a blue color into the other colors. These colors are mixing, spreading together to create beautiful colors. Second technique is fun splatter technique. Is really fun, but a little bit a mess, so I will cover the rest of the paper. Now I'm taking much of color and tap of the brush against another brush. One side, light side is wet paper, left side is dried paper. One color is not enough, so you will also take another colors. The third technique is a scratch technique. First, you need to apply the color on the paper. I'm going to start very pinkish light color, and I'm going to take some crimson colors, adding on the pinkish colors. Brush stroke is used very gently. I'm adding more dark crimson lake. And I'm prepared shell and clip and the palette knife. So also you can use any sharp object around you. So for example, credit card or a pencil or the back of the brush. Any sharp object you can use it. This is the palette knife. Fourth technique is using salt. First, you need to paint the selected area with thorough blue colors. I try to drop indigo and turquoise blue. And this is a salt. You need to sprinkle a little salt very quickly. This should be enough and leave it dry. This technique is use tissue. Let's fill the next circle with bluish color, and we'll use a lot of water. I'm adding more dark colors. This is a tissue. We are going to take a tissue and crumple it well. And then I'm taking off the color on our colored space. Also, you could use brush too. This technique is we use very often on the sky for cloud. This is last technique, use clean water. So first you paint on the circle with dark and thick brush color, blue color, sorry. And then we'll take clean water. You need to drip water on the bluish color. And we will get this amazing pattern in a bit more time. We need to just a few seconds. Okay, let's see. You need to take away the salt carefully. Wow, amazing pattern, right? Okay, we are all done. So I'm going to show you all of these techniques. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.